Hello everyone, my name is Suresh Kumar. I want to tell you about a PG diploma course offered by National Power Training Institute NPTI. See friends, doing BTech or getting a degree is not sufficient for getting good job. In addition to the degree, we have to do some certification courses. Then only we will get good technical skills. With those technical skills, we can get good jobs. For that good opportunity, there is a good opportunity for improving our skills is this PG diploma course. If we complete this course, we will get the technical skills which are required by some state and central, both government and private power industries. So the course is a 1 year duration course. In that we have 2 semesters. It covers both training at institute and also industry. The syllabus will be as per the Indian electricity rules. The courses offered by this institute are power plant engineering, smart grid technologies, power system operation, renewable energy and grid interface technologies, and energy market management. For doing these courses, the eligibility is BTech or BE or equivalent course with minimum 60% marks. ECE, EEE, CSC, IT, mechanical and related branches are applicable. Even the final year students also eligible for applying the course. For enter into the course, there will be a common entrance test which is called as SET 2020. It will be on 7th January 2020. There are 25% reservation seats for sponsored candidates from power utilities. There is no age limitation for this course. For applying the course, we have to complete the exam. For applying the exam, we have to pay 2000 rupees through the website npti.gov.in. Here, this website is useful for not only paying the fee, but also it gives the complete information regarding this course. If you have any doubts, please visit this website npti.gov.in. The course fees structure will be like this: 2,30,000 plus 18% GST for non-sponsored candidates. They can pay this amount in 2 installments. Whereas for sponsored candidates, they have to pay 3,60,000 plus 18% GST at the time of admission. They have to pay the entire amount at a time only. For international candidates, the fees will be $20,000 plus 18% GST. The important dates are: the online registration already started on 26th November 2019. It will end on 23rd of this month. And the PG diploma course SET exam SET 2020 will be on 7th January 2020. Result will be announced on 15th January 2020. Counseling will be on 21st January 2020. Commencement of course will be 27th January 2020. If there is any vacant seats or leftover seats, the spot admission will be on 3rd Feb 2020. These are contact details. Here the important thing is the website npti.gov.in. If you have any doubts, please visit this website and clarify your doubts. Thank you.